All right, so as you can see, the sun is shining outside and I'm in my basement, and this already has paint on it, but it looks awful. This is the worst fail of yesterday, so we're going to completely redo it. So I'm going to stick with the opposing colors idea because that's what my husband wants. So I got, this one's all yellow, red, a little bit of like burnt orangey, copperish color, black. And this one's black, blue, aqua, and a little bit of gray. So it should be a nice color combo. So I'm gonna start with the darks. And then we're gonna move on to the other side. Let's pray that my cats don't decide to jump up on my chair where my other color is, because that would be hilarious, but also bad. I'm sure my husband would be thrilled trying to clean paint off of the cats. All right. So let's see what we can come up with here. And I definitely know for fucking sure that I have more than enough paint this time. Because these cups are full. So there's that. This looks so cool. It kind of reminds me of like Biohazard. Just not with green. I don't know. Whatever. Little Rastafarian too, that's pretty cool. Alright, so I still have half a cup of color left, and I think I want to reserve some of this. So I'm going to put this one down, and I'm going to go to the other side. We're just going to let that chill for now. Oh, super pretty. And I actually poured these totally different too, like into the cups, which is why these ones you see these really, really magnificent swirls within it. And these ones you really don't. Looks slightly more chaotic on the darker side. There's purpose to that, I promise. Oh, beautiful. I think someone just shot a gun outside of my house. So there's that. Oh, I don't live in Redneckville. I live in Colony, so that's interesting. I wonder what people are doing outside. And I'm gonna try something. This could be awful, but let's see. Fuck it, why not? Oh, it creates a barrier. How schmancy. I dig it. All right. Let's see what happens when we move this around a little bit. A little nervous because, you know, oh, Nix, no, boo-boo. We get down. She's like, Mom, look, there's paint. I want to play in it. This is cool, right? My God. So if you actually know me, you have probably met my cats and know that they're both psychotic assholes. It's kind of how they've chosen to live their lives. It's cool. It's a lot of fun to be around. Unless they're assaulting you, trying to devour your soul, any of those fun things. Oh, this looks so neat already. Oh, we're losing some on the sides. We're not ready for that yet. We're not ready. I'm not emotionally prepared to lose paint. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this if I'm not emotionally prepared. Fuck. Oh, this looks cool. I'm already proud. Ha 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 ha. Look at that. So this is one way to fix an epic fail. All right, so we need a little bit more in this corner. So we're gonna do a little bit of this. We still have paint. That's amazing. That's how you know you poured enough. Oh, you guys are gonna be so sick of me, I know it. Oh, the darks are coming out. So we're gonna make this nice big line in there. Add a little extra interest and a little bit of depth of color and see what we can do here. It's like, which way do I want this to go to make it do what I want it to do? I have no idea. We're kind of just winging it. This is how we live our lives. So I know my friend Mary and her friend Joe are gonna watch this. Joe, have I said fuck enough times for you yet? If I haven't, please, let me know in the comments and I'll try and do better next time, because fuck, that's how we roll, right? All right. So now we gotta get it to go this way, because fucking why not? Get in that corner. Get in the corner. You do not put baby in the corner. Nobody puts baby in the corner. All right, we're almost there. We almost have success. All right, so there's that corner now. Oh, look at all this excess paint. Oh, we did such a good job. Look at that. All right. Oh, soup dupe proud already. We'll tag these corners just a little bit because we're still not completely covered over here, but we still have paint left. Check me the fuck out. We'll add that. And I think that covers the red side. We'll add a little bit more. Cool beans. I'm sure my husband is thrilled with me getting paint all over this fucking house. But this one was his idea. So my husband actually really likes the duality of things. That's probably why he loves me, because I have multiple personalities. And you never know what you're gonna get. Huzzah! But this was his idea last night. He's like, babe, if you're gonna fix it, why don't you do the duality thing again and just, reds and blues. Reds and blues. So that's how we wound up here today. So if this looks awful, we can just blame him, right? I mean, what good woman doesn't blame her husband when things don't work out? Oh, I dropped a cup. We're fucked because I dropped a cup. Come on, get in that other corner. Get in that other corner. You can do it. I have faith in you. I'm also trying to not completely and utterly coat myself in paint. All right. I think this came out all right. I think I want more of the blue to shift this way, but I feel like we got some cool shit happening here. So a lot of my music was muted yesterday, so if you guys want to know what I'm listening to 2000s gangster rap. I'm pretty sure this is like Get Low or something. I think that's what's playing in the background. I'm having a hard time hearing it because I just can't hear for shit anymore. Welcome to old age, kids. But that's what we're listening to because it makes me feel very creative. And it also makes me feel like I'm super gangster, even though I might as well just be a soccer mom. No offense to soccer moms out there. You guys are badass. You drive minivans like psychos. So, there's that. So if you ever see a mom in a minivan with a bunch of kids, she's probably really stressed out and hoping to not kill everyone, but also on the same level, probably hoping to kill everyone. Moms are super unappreciated creatures, so please make sure you're appreciating moms every day. They put up with your dumb ass, so there's that. So we got this little spot of red on this side, and I kind of like it. I don't know how I feel about it. I think I'm gonna leave it. You know, fuck it. So I actually really, really like how this came out. I'm super proud of it. So it makes me want to like fuck it up somehow. I saw someone do that once on a video. It actually did something. This time it did not. Oh, I should never be allowed to be alone in my basement with a camera. So you're welcome. So let's see. There's not much going on over here. Let's see. Oh, that's better. We're making things happen. So this paint is actually just going to resettle itself, which I'm sure you know what that means. You probably don't. That's cool. But when I scrape it, it makes all of these little cells come out. Which for that huge spot, it was just all really, really boring gray. So we want cell structure like what we've got going on over here, because it adds a ton of interest to the piece. And I don't like that little red spot. I'm gonna get it out of there. And then we're gonna scrape it and we're gonna try and fix it and see what we can do over here. Let's see. Cool. All right. I feel like I just utterly fucked up that whole spot. But that's cool because we don't have more paint. That's fine. But there's enough on here that I can still keep tipping it. So let's see if we can make a minor adjustment with a tip. Just the tip, guys. Don't let kids watch my videos. Please, for the love of Christmas trees. I'm not an appropriate human being. I'm not kid-friendly when it comes to my language. Kids love me, but I don't know why. Next, please don't like that. That's probably not good for you, child. All right, so we didn't fix that, but that's okay, because shit happens. And we have other tools to make it look better. Actually, we have teensy bits more paint. Stop licking paint, you psycho! My God. These fucking cats are gonna be the fucking death of me. That's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna die because of my cats. Or they're gonna die of latex paint poisoning. You know, at least they lived. All right, let's see. Don't fall again. All right. Yeah, we're gonna make the whole painting just shift down. Oh, I like what that did. Kids. All right, so now we do have to go back this way because there's too much red. Fall. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it and doing it and doing it. Wow. All right, so we got that. And I think we're good. Who the hell knows? But I like it. I think it came out really, really pretty considering what kind of a monstrous mess it was yesterday. And I feel like this is a very, very positive improvement. So yeah, there it is, kids. I did it. I fixed it. We've used more paint on this than I've used on any other painting thus far. Check that shit out. And we've got super cool drips all the way around the sides. I think I might be just as proud of that as I am of the painting itself. Fun fact. I love this line over here. Look at that black right in there. Oh, it came out gorgeous. And I think this is just gonna get better as it settles. I don't like that this is like taking over, but at the same time, I feel like it makes sense. So yeah, cool. That's the video you're getting today. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If not, I don't really give a shit. So there's that. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday or whenever the hell it is you actually watch this. And yeah, check it out. Try it at home. I did do something a little different this time. Some of this paint, like I normally use Floetrol, my actual paint, and then water and silicone. I actually added Elmer's glue to this time. And I don't hate what it changed, but I do notice that there's a lot less cells when you use the Elmer's glue. So fun fact, we learned something today, but I'm still pleased with it. All right, cool. Have a great day, you guys. Peace.